How are you?
Wonderful. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also good. So, how much weight have you lost, Pallavi?
This time I lost 7.2 kgs.
And what was your starting weight and what is your weight now?
So my starting weight was 65.55, and right now I'm 58.4.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
And how much cash prize have you won?
So it's 11,666. Yeah.
Nice. Congratulations.
Yeah. My smile.
Yes. I have a few questions for you, Pallavi, that members have sent us. So, I'm going to ask you that. So, you did the 16th March challenge, right?
Yes.
So the question is, Pallavi, take us back to 16 March. What was going through your mind when you decided to join the Speed Swim Challenge?
My recent picture, which I took just before the challenge, I went in one of my friend's marriage.
Huh.
And when I saw my pics, it was like self doubt on myself. Really, I was looking like 45 plus in that pic. I was really, that was a disaster. Then I immediately joined this challenge. And one interesting thing I want to tell here, this is my second time to connect with your program. So,
Okay.
post my pregnancy, I got a lot of weight. So, I joined this in 2022. And that time I lost around 5.5 kgs. And then yeah, that I came back in my shape. And due to some hectic lifestyle, I'm a working mom. I have a
Okay.
kid of 5 years. I work in MNC, handle 20 plus resources. So my day is entirely busy. I do not have time to see myself. Take
Oh,
care is a very different thing. So somehow I just took this challenge and I can see, this magic in myself.
yeah. So take me through your typical day. When does your day start? How do you manage and how do you prepare the meals? Yeah.
Yeah, so I wake up around 6, and 1 hour just I keep for prep of my kid school, right? Prepare her meal, take consume some hot water. Sometimes I do, and her back prep, etc., etc. And then I wake up at 7, and by 8 we are her bus stop. Then I come back at 8:15, and one thing I really I'm doing good that I go to gym at 9. I come back around 10:30, and then I just take my breakfast, and at sharp 11:30, or even I before I start my office, and it's endless. It's endless. Sometime I close my day at 11, sometime at 9:30, sometime it's even beyond 12. So I have to manage everything, take care of my kid, her study time, play time, etc. But this is God grace that I am doing work from home most of the time, and this is
Mhm.
how I manage. But there's so much in my plate in every day because I'm working as a delivery lead, so we have to take care of our resources work as well. So I do a lot of sitting job.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's main reason to put up weight in continuous way. So I was looking some kind of some magic, something like it that easily melt down my weight, and it actually happened. I can see like every week it was getting loose. Every week I'm seeing a difference in my weighing scale. So there's something in your diet plan.
Okay. So because you were working from home, were you able to manage the meals easily, or was there any difficulty that you faced?
So I would say whenever we start any meal, whenever we just initiate any new meal, so we have. I mean, your meals are combination of lot of microfibers. I believe there's so much in one meal, so you have to arrange the things. If you do some prep on weekend, then make your journey very smooth. And best part is now after consuming your meals, I do not feel any time these cravings, so it is stops my craving actually. So
So
that's
what do you crave for?
sometimes sweet. I have a sweet tooth, so very difficult for me. But with your diets, it worked very smoothly.
Oh, good. So 65.5 kg to 58.4 kg.
Yes,
So how did it feel stepping on the scale and seeing that number drop week after week?
I cannot explain that time the energy.
Mm.
And the best part that the app you guys have right now for the challenge. So every week, every 3 4 days, somebody is posting their achievement. I have lost this much. So it actually boosts us, gives so much motivation. Ki, yaar, come on, come on, do something. No cheat meals, no etc. Just be consistent, whatever is prescribed. So that's the
Mm.
only I think reason.
Yeah, good. So you lost 7.2 kgs and won 11,666 rupees. Did you ever imagine you would achieve both when you first started?
No, absolutely not. I was might be I will lose 5 kgs. That would be more about a satisfaction thing for me. But your meals did really wonder. I don't know how to explain, but it is, and I'm an example here.
Yes. You work as an associate manager in MNC. How did you balance your busy work life with your weight loss journey? So how are you finding out time to work, walk, or go to gym and meal times and with your daughter and everything? Like there's a lot on your plate. So how are you managing it all?
So I would say it's more about mindset. So when I joined the challenge, I actually changed my mind whenever we have long meetings. So I started walking while taking those meetings, and this is how I maintain my steps count. So your meal plus step counts, it actually help us to drop the weight, and I think this combination is ultimate. So whenever I have morning calls, 40 minutes, 60 minutes. So at that time, I continuously walking, holding my Mac in my hand, and
Really?
yes.
Wow.
So uh, yeah, and I got a lot of support from your team.
Mm.
The team is so much accessible. Between in last 2 years, I joined one some other platform as well to lose the weight. It didn't work. Team was not that much accessible, but this is I think USP here. Team is really accessible.
Yeah,
So,
I have a great team. I will say that myself, like very proudly.
so I think Trupti, Rupam, they both helped me a lot.
Uh, so what were your main questions? Where were you getting stuck? What help were you looking from them?
In my journey, there was a time came when there was a plateau. So actually, I was doing two things at the same time. I was taking steps of 8,000 to 10,000. At the same time, I was hitting the gym. So in gym, it's more about lifting the weights. Cardio is less cardio, and it's more about lifting weight strength training. So they told me ki you have to leave the gym for at least 2 3 days so your muscles get some relax and you will see some difference in the weight. And I did it. So whenever I stuck, I saw some plateau. There was no difference in my weight in last 2 3 days. Then I reach out to Rupam. So she helped me that time.
Because it's a muscle weight also,
Yes.
and strength training is amazing. But once you've kind of done your weight loss journey and everything, you can, and you're not worried about your weight or anything. You're a certain way, then you can really work on your strength training, which is what I also do. So I strength train 2 3 times a week. But initially, I just wanted to get rid of the weight. Like that number has to go out of my head. Just
Yeah.
walk and do your meals, and then I'll manage both. So now I'm not worried about the number on the scale. I know I'm in like good zone. So, and it's very good that you're doing that also.
Yeah.
It's very important part of life.
Yep. Yep. So being a working mom, it's really challenging to maintain your weight because whenever we gain a lot of weight, it's actually hit, at least in my case, in my mental health. So most of the time whenever I just try anything, I just feel keep what is this not looking good. How to be social in such a way. So those factors that hit in my mind, but now I'm really happy and glad.
Good. Good.
And one interesting thing I really want to mention here. So when I joined this program in 2022, that time I lost around 5 kg and I maintained myself at least 3 4 days on the diet even after completion of that program. And this happened like 6 to 9 months. In 6 to 9 months, we went twice out. One like we went to Abu Dhabi and once we went to this Udaipur. both the time my kid and my husband, they got COVID, but I was such on a protein diet that I was with them taking care of them, but I was not infected. So because we were I mean, wherever we were going, we were at the same time, same place, but I was not impacted with COVID. So I thought that was only because of that rich diet I was on that time.
No, it happened with many members actually, and with us also. Like I especially was pregnant during the COVID, so I didn't get COVID. And one of our members, I still remember, her entire family got COVID, and she messaged us that I'm walking in my drawing room because I haven't got COVID because I'm on your diet. So that's how powerful food and nutrition is.
Yep.
Instagram brought you to us. What made you trust Speedstone compared to everything else you saw on?
Because I was getting so many feeds about your program on Instagram. Even my sister, she was even associated with, I mean, attached with your all those things earlier. Then I joined your program. So I did lot of experiment using whatever the YouTube videos available. Nothing worked in my case. If I went on a water fasting, that after completion, I get again even more. If I'm losing 1 kg, then definitely after some time I'm gaining 1 or 2 kgs more. So that extra wala thing, na, that was really difficult for me, but now it's a happy moment.
Yeah. So, was there a moment during the challenge where you felt like giving up? If yes, what pushed you to keep going?
Your team, your team.
Oh, that's so
Yes.
sweet.
Yeah, your team and lot of participants, they were continuously posting their achievements, 3 days losing this much of weight. So that's actually play a very important role, because we always go some other platform, join all those things, but there is lack of motivation, because on weekly basis you are connecting 101, right? You are just sharing your numbers, but what about others? What about the motivation factor? So I feel this challenge itself is a big thing that motivate any participant 24/7. When you sleep, you have a target ki today I have completed 10K steps, then definitely there must be a drop at least 200 gram, 300 gram, right? So that I can maintain my level in that race.
Yeah. Yes. And so wonderful. Like you won cash prize, you lost weight, and here we are talking about your journey. It's almost
Exactly.
like
That's
dream come true.
exactly, and that's completely true. That you in some of the ads you are saying nobody celebrate our achievement for losing weight, especially, and which is I think one of the most difficult tasks for a woman
Yeah.
post pregnancy, right?
Yeah.
So this is a kind of celebration, and we are getting all those things from this money.
Yes, yes, yes. We should celebrate that. What was the proudest moment during the challenge? Something small or big that made you like very emotional or something?
When I saw 59,
Uh,
since last 2 years I'm trying hard, and I was not even able to touch 60. There was a plateau at 62 in my case, and it happened this time as well. It took me around maybe 10 days to uh, go to 61 that time. So there was a plateau. When I reached to 59, that was like a little bit emotional thing for me. That morning was special for me.
I can imagine. I can imagine. How has your energy, confidence, and overall life changed now that you've lost this weight?
My knee pain has gone,
Wow.
because I was 65, so there was a knee pain, continuous knee pain, and that was making me lethargic in movements, taking long steps. So that was making me a little bit lazy. I had big excuse. So my energy level, I'm very positive now.
Okay.
because now I'm getting a confidence in myself, in my personality. So sometimes we have to join our office parties, we have leadership meetings. So that time very difficult that every time you are wearing plus size.
Hmm.
So now I'm getting back, I'm getting confidence to coming on camera, drive the things myself. So
Yeah.
this is amazing and I cannot explain it in a true manner, but I'm this is something that I'm sharing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I can totally relate to that, and I can imagine like because that confidence comes from within. A lot of working women and moms followers, what would you say to them about making time for themselves?
I think this is very important thing that we easily miss whenever we get married. We really start to deprioritize ourselves, but somewhere we on Instagram, on YouTube, it's a lot of podcasts are coming where it is a suggestion self love. So we listen a lot. Once we see a difference in ourselves after doing some work, it start ultimately coming from our soul, self love, right? Which is the biggest thing, and it works.
Yeah.
And your program is one of the way to achieve it.
Yes, yes, yes. It is about actually taking care of yourself because we forget who we are actually before getting married, before having kids, before having everything in our life. I mean, we are grateful for that, but it is us also, right? It is our we as human beings, we as women also.
Yes, yes, I do completely agree.
Yeah. And what is next for Pallavi in her fitness and life journey?
So I really want to touch 54. It was a weight 6 years back. Yeah, before marriage. So, and definitely time to time I will connect with this program. This is wonderful program because it gives lot of sense of importance about our health, ourself, self love, celebration if we win this challenge. So this is my plan.
That's your plan. And if you have to say three words about Speed Sim, what will that be?
Most reliable, right? Discipline and consistency, and this combination work wonders.
Yeah, very nice. It's so nice to uh, go through your journey, Pallavi. It's this you there's so much on your plate. There's so much you have to do, and you are doing it all without any excuses and happily with a wonderful smile on your face. It's very inspiring, and I'm sure a lot of, especially working moms, are going to associate and connect with you a lot. Uh, just all the best. And I'm sure you've reached here, you're going to reach your 54 also. It's not going to be like dreams. You're going to reach there. Just keep going and keep believing in it. And the team is there to help you. We're there to help you every step of the way. And never stop taking care of
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah,
it.
definitely. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
You
you,
are,
Pallavi.
yeah,
Take care of yourself.
yeah. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.